In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use one indicator as an external input for another on TradingView. This is a powerful feature that allows you to build second layer or even third layer indicators, giving you deeper insight and more advanced customization in your trading system. It's important to understand that not every indicator can be calculated from another. One, due to certain technical limitations, but for the indicators that support it, this method opens up a lot of creative possibilities. To begin, make sure the indicators you want to work with are already loaded on your chart. Once they're in place, look for the More button next to the title of the indicator you want to use as your external input. This is the button with the 3 horizontal dots. When you click it, you'll see an option called Add Indicator Strategy. Selecting this option lets you choose another indicator or strategy that will use the first one as an input. It basically links the two tools together so one can feed data into the other. Another way to do this is by clicking directly on the plot of the indicator itself. When the menu appears, you'll see the same option, Add Indicator Strategy on. This is a quick shortcut that gives you the same result and helps you build layered indicators without having to navigate through multiple menus. If you want to manually assign the input from within the indicator settings, you can do that too. Click the Settings button next to the indicator or strategy that will receive the input. Then open the Inputs tab. Inside the Source drop-down, you'll see a list of available plots from other indicators on your chart. Simply select the one you want to use as your external input. Keep in mind that these external inputs must come from indicators, not strategies. Strategies cannot be used as data sources in this system, so make sure you're connecting indicators only. Once everything is set up, your indicators will now interact with each other, allowing you to build custom layers of logic, smoothing techniques, confirmation tools, and complex signal systems. It's a great way to enhance your technical analysis and push your strategy to the next level. If you want to see this feature in action visually, TradingView has a full demonstration available on their YouTube channel along with many more educational videos. Make sure to check it out so you can fully understand the potential of building indicator systems.